Today I'm going to show you how to make an omelette using only 4 eggs, a sausage, some cheese and a microwave. First, get the egg, crack the egg, put the egg into a bowl. Do this with the 3 other eggs. Once you have the 3 other eggs into the bowl, you add your ingredients. First, you chop a sausage, you chop some cheese. You put the sausage and the cheese into the eggs, and then you mix. I forgot to mention, you can add a little splash of milk, just to make your omelette a little more creamy. Put your mixture into the microwave. Close the microwave door, put the microwave on, and watch. Check every 1 minute. This omelette needs a bit more time. Maybe 1 more minute. Okay, one last check. Perfecto. Voila! Omelette in the microwave.